we are live. Welcome to another episode of EB Traffic Quick Talk. And today we're going to be reviewing a bike seat that I got from Amazon. The company is called Balinge, one of those Chinese companies. But the reason I got this bike seat was because it was wide and I just wanted to change the one that I had. It's not meant for a regular bike, I guess you could say. It's meant for an exercise bike, but it has all the right tools and it could fit a regular bike. It's very heavy duty, it's soft, it has this gap in the middle for some extra airway. It has the shock absorbers in the back, so I just bought it just to try it out. But obviously you could tell it's not a regular bike seat, it's definitely a modified bike seat. Before anything, you just want to make sure you have all the right tools, measure your bolts, measure the screws. Before you touch the bike, you want to have all the right tools. When you change anything on your bike, don't go straight on the street. Make sure you do a little test run. Then you could start working on the bike seat. All the bolts will be different sizes, so don't expect all the bolts to be the same, and don't expect to use the old parts that you had in your bike on your new bike seat. You just want to make sure that you keep all the screws and all the bolts together. Try to remember how you took it out, because that's the same way you're going to put it back. If you have a second person that you could use, this would be a lot more convenient to do with two people instead of one. But of course it's possible with one. I did it by myself, but it just takes a lot much longer. Here I took out the pole for the seat. You don't have to do this. It's just one little screw that you take out and you could adjust the height of the seat, and that's what I was doing here. You just want to make sure everything is kept straight. Make sure the seat is straight, make sure the pole is straight. After you tighten it, it will be very hard to turn anything on the seat or the pole. It's a very quick, easy job. I expected it to be a lot much harder, but it took me about 45 minutes to do this. It was my first time doing it. And like I said, the seat is not made for a bike, but it has all the tools and everything to fit a regular bike. Very heavy duty. I bought this bike on Facebook Market. I did my research on it. It was limited edition BMX bike from 2001. I don't think the people knew the value of it. It was kept in the garage. It was very old. It wasn't used for a very long time. One of the brakes is actually broken off. So I will be changing the brakes. I will be adjusting the handlebars. I will be installing a kickstand to it. So this is a project that I put on myself. I haven't done this before. I never owned a bike before. Never did anything with a bike. But yeah, the seat is very heavy duty. It's soft. It's very comfortable. It is exactly what I expected. It's not made for a bike, and that's exactly what I wanted. A seat not really made for the bike, but I like it. It's very comfortable and I recommend it. It was very cheap. I think it was like $15 on Amazon. So check it out, and if you don't like it, you can always return it, get something else, and call it a day. But that's all I got for you. Don't forget to drop a like, a subscribe, a comment, and share. Do all that good stuff for me. Until next time.